Cloudy Code versus GitHub Copilot in 2025. Which one is the better coding assistant for developers today? Whether you are writing Python, JavaScript, or just debugging on the fly, this quick comparison will help you decide which one is the better option for you. And for now, let's dive in. What they are. First, what exactly are these tools? GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, has been the go-to AI pair programmer since 2021. It's deeply integrated with Visual Studio Code, GitHub, and supports dozens of languages. Cloudy Code is the new AI coding assistant from Anthropic. Built on their Cloudy 3 model family, it emphasizes safety, detailed reasoning, and long context understanding, perfect for complex code bases and documentation-heavy projects. Key features. Now let's break down their features. Code suggestions. Copilot gives lightning-fast inline suggestions, great for writing boilerplate code and quick snippets. Cloudy, on the other hand, is better for explaining why something works. It's more verbose and analytical. File support. Cloudy Code can process large code bases with long context windows. Think 100K tokens, which is amazing for reviewing multiple files at once. Copilot struggles with that but shines in lightweight, real-time code generation. Chat mode. Cloudy is currently stronger in chat-based reasoning. You can paste in huge code chunks and ask high-level questions. Copilot's chat is improving, but Cloudy tends to give more thoughtful and accurate responses for debugging and refactoring. Integrations and workflow. Copilot is deeply integrated into the GitHub ecosystem, perfect if you are already using GitHub Actions, repos, and VS Code. It also works offline with the new Copilot workspace. Cloudy, however, runs mostly through Anthropic's web interface or select integrations. It's better for planning, writing tests, or understanding APIs, but not yet as embedded in developer IDEs as Copilot. Pricing and accessibility. In 2025, GitHub Copilot costs around $10 per month for individuals, and it is included in some GitHub Enterprise plans. Cloudy's pricing depends on the Cloudy Pro plan, roughly $20 per month, but usage limits vary. Copilot is more budget-friendly and better for constant daily use inside IDEs. Cloudy is better for deeper, occasional analysis of big code tasks. Final verdict. So which one is better in 2025? Choose GitHub Copilot if you want seamless coding inside VS Code, fast auto-completions, and a lightweight AI sidekick. Choose Cloudy Code if you work with large code bases, need help explanations, or want help understanding complex architecture. Ideally, many devs are now using both together. Copilot for fast coding, Cloudy for deeper thinking. And that's a wrap. Let me know down below in the comments, are you Team Cloudy or Team Copilot? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest tech breakdowns every week. And that's all for today, and goodbye.